Yes, good morning, everyone. Chalo, everyone, I request you all to copy down the notes in your fair books, okay? As soon as you lesson number three, first copy lesson five, and then copy lesson three, okay?
Subject.
And then I'll be sharing lesson number nine. Yes. Now, as your schools are starting, you all know very well, right? Exams you are going to come and give at school, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
पता है ना आप सबको?
Yes.
Girls, boys, I hope everyone knows that you are going to come and give the test, FA 2 test in the school. So please, please, please see that you'll start learning. Okay? Okay, boys? Chalo. Now, the last class we completed all this part, right? The Uranus, the Mars, the Jupiter, Saturn, everything, right? Neptune. Now we are going to see today meteors and constellation. Who will read meteors and constellation? Meteors or constellation, anyone would like to read? Boys, can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you listen me or not?
Yes, ma'am.
And why no
Yes,
one is
ma'am.
answering? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, reply karo. Chalo. Read this part, beta, Rehan. Meteors. Hello? Hello? Boys? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read, beta.
मैम कहाँ से?
Meteors. Sometimes.
Sometime in appears that star in falling from the sky. The sky of night activity stars do not fall. Small pieces of stones, rock moving in the sky, or small parts of planets are called meteors. These materials are quickly drawn toward Earth because the gravitational force
Gravitational.
and gravitational force
Gravitational.
as soon as it enters मैम ये क्या है atmosphere it
Hmm.
gets encrypted due the fraction at this time a bright line is seen seen in seen skin in the sky, for which we say that star is following some of
Following
matter
me. Falling.
falling some of matters which uh, are not burnt fully
Burn. Burn.
cause how cracks in the earth lake of Maharashtra is believed to be compressed due to felling of such
Such
materials
meteors. Such meteors.
metals in a मैम ये क्या है
बोलो बेटा कहाँ पे?
इनके बाद
In Saurashtra.
in Maharashtra near Dhajla three material had falling which without for 40 kg in wider scenes any set of stars or even a single star is called constellation.
Constellation.
Some of the constellation have specific shape because of the mass of stars in sometimes looks like a ghost and sometimes like a eagle. There are total 27 constellations like
Constellations.
constellation like a as many 50 विशाखा पुनर्वासु ओरियन रोहिणी उषा आर्या
Okay. See now, what are meteors? अच्छा, you say me बेटा, आपने कभी कोई स्टार गिरते हुए देखा है? स्टार कभी ऐसा सुना है कि टूटता हुआ तारा કોઈ જોયું છે એવું? हैं?
यस मैम
किसे देखा है? किसे देखा है?
मैम मैंने नहीं देखा
सुना है? सुना है किसी ने? ओके, नाउ बेटा क्या है? नहीं सुना है ना? ओके, व्हाट इट इज बेटा, कभी तारे नहीं टूटते, बट व्हाट आर दे, यू नो एनीवन? व्हाट आर दे, एनीवन कैन से मी? They are actually stars do not fall, but some pieces of stones, है ना? No rocks moving in the sky or small parts of the planets are called meteors. When they fall to the surface of the earth, they are called meteors. Okay? Now बेटा हमें क्यों वो तारा जैसा ब्लिंक होता है, क्यों ऐसा दिखता है पता है? क्योंकि वो बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट, यू नो, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स जो होता है अर्थ की वजह से, तो बहुत फास्ट आता है, इसीलिए हमें वो एकदम फास्ट भी दिखता है। और बिकॉज वो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स से फ्रिक्शन होता है जो हमारे एटमोस्फियर में प्रेजेंट है उससे, तो वो ब्राइट लाइन बन जाता है। तो इसीलिए हमें क्या दिखता है? फॉर दैट विच वी से दैट स्टार इज फॉलिंग। right? But actually, it is not star. But what it is? They are meteors. They are what? What are they?
Meteors.
Yes, they are meteors. Okay, they are part. They are a small stones, small pieces of stones, rocks. Okay, clear? So never say that they are
Can I
meteors. हाँ बेटा बोलो.
can I read?
Yes, yes, revise it. जो तो मैंने अभी explain किया वो revise करो. Yes, बेटा read meteors.
Yes, ma'am. Meteors. Sometimes it appears that star is falling from the sky at night. Actually, stars do not fall. Small pieces of stones, rocks moving in the sky, or small parts of planets are called meteors.
Meteors. Yes.
These, these meteors are quickly drawn towards Earth because of gravitational force. As soon
Yes, because
as
of the
it
gravitational force of the
enters
Earth, right?
atmosphere, it, it gets
Yes.
interior due of fraction. At this time, a bright line is seen in the sky. For which,
Yes.
for which we say that star is falling. Some of matters which are not burnt fully use huggy cracks in the earth.
Yes. Understood,
Koyana
everyone?
Lake of Maharashtra is believed to the composed due to falling of such meteors is Surashtra near Dajjal, Dagala at at
ध
material
धजाला है क्या है धजाला.
Dajjala and material had a felling which weighed 40 kilograms.
40 kilograms.
Yes,
Yes. So
and thus
understood. Now two examples are given here. एक तो कोयना lake of Maharashtra. Okay. That is also because all times all the meteors do not burn up, but sometimes they are halfly burned, and so they fall on the earth surface. Okay. तो जैसे वो अर्थ सरफेस पे फॉल करते तो वहां पे पीट्स हो जाता है. पीट्स मीन्स व्हाट खाड़ो के काय पण राइट. तो एट दैट वी हैव टू एग्जांपल्स हियर. एक तो लेक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र is believed is believed to be composed due to the falling of such meteors, and the second is in the Saurashtra near Dhajala. Okay, it is also believed that a meteor had fallen which weighed 40 kgs. Okay, now about constellations. The wider sense, any of the sets of stars or a single star is called constellation. जो pattern वो बनाते हैं है ना, that is called constellations. Sometimes it looks like a goose and sometimes like an eagle. Okay, so in all there are 27 constellations. Okay, the remembering the names of these constellations is not easy, but they can be easily memorized by repeated viewing. Okay, some names are remembered as they are associated with the auspicious work, like at the time of Pushya constellations, gold and silvers are purchased, right? So now this is the information about our solar family, or you can say solar system. You will still have to learn a lot about your
yes,
home, that is Earth. So let us begin. Now we will say about location and the shape of the Earth. Okay, what we are going to see now?
Location and shape of Earth.
Exactly. Chalo. Who will read this?
And can I have
What is your good name?
Arman Gori?
Yes, Arman. Read, beta.
Yes, ma'am. We see the sun and the moon shaping how good it looks. Our Earth is also such a sphere only. It a circle. It is a flat at both the poles. Some astronauts have gone up
Astronauts.
to
Astronauts.
astronauts have have gone up to the moon. They have taken Earth photographs from there. From Moon, Earth look like a giant sphere. We are living in a small village or city. The part of Earth which we are able to see is a very small part of Earth, thus it can not said by us that Earth is spherical. Have you you ever seen broken earthen pot? It if you take a small piece of in your hand, you cannot imagine that it it would have been round. Thus, looking at a small part of the earth does not tell us that the whole earth is spherical, but no, with the help of photographs
No, no,
taken
no, now. Now.
yes, photographs photographs taken from moon and space, we can say that there is no doubt about the Earth's shape.
Yes, very good. So, location and shape of the earth. Okay. We see the sun and the moon shaking. Okay. Sometimes we see them. Right? How good it looks. Our earth is also such a sphere only. Okay. It is spherical in shape. Okay. जैसे स्क्वायर ट्राइंगल सर्कल होता है वैसे स्फेरिकल भी एक शेप होता है राइट it is flat at both the poles but at the poles it is flat poles पे कैसा है वो फ्लैट है
Flat,
कैसा है yes it is flat at the
flat.
yes at the poles some astronauts have gone up to the moon where have they gone up to the moon they have taken earth's photograph from there from moon earth looks like a giant sphere बड़ा बहुत बड़ा स्पीयर दिखता है कैसा लगता है
बहुत
from the
बड़ा
moon
स्पीयर.
yes earth looks like a giant sphere we are living in a small village or city हम कहाँ रहते हैं वो पूरे अर्थ पे एक छोटी सी सिटी में रहते हैं विलेज में रहते हैं the part of the earth which we are able to see is a very small part of the earth thus it cannot be said by us that the earth is spherical but who says it astronauts है ना जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स है जो ऊपर गए हैं जिन्होंने पूरे अर्थ को वहां से देखा है यस they say that the earth is spherical in shape they have taken photographs of our planet earth है ना and from there they say us that the earth is spherical in shape is it clear
Yes, ma'am.
so for example if you take a small piece of a earthen pot એટલે માટલું right એક કટકો લ્યો એના હાથમાં so you can not imagine that it would have been round તો તમને ખબર પડી જાય કે આ રાઉન્ડ જ હતું એમ તમને ખબર છે કે માટલું ગોળ હોય છે આપણા ઘરમાં પણ એક એનો નાનો કટકો જ તમને આપવામાં આવે તો તમને ખબર પડી જાય કે આનો શેપ રાઉન્ડ છે? ન ખબર પડે. ખબર પડે? હા, ન ખબર પડે, રાઈટ? કેમ કે આપણે પણ અર્થના એક એવા સ્મોલ પાર્ટમાં જ ઉભા છીએ. તો આપણને ના ખબર પડે કે શેપ ઓફ ધ અર્થ કેવો છે, પણ આપણને કેવી રીતે ખબર પડે? But now, with the help of photographs taken from the moon and space, okay, ત્યાં જે ફોટોગ્રાફ્સ લીધા છે આપણા અર્થના મૂન અને સ્પેસમાંથી, okay, from that we can say that there is no doubt about the earth shape, but the earth is round, okay, spherical round. Yes, beta, Amar, read. Amar, yes, who will read?
मैम
Boys,
कैन
you
आई
can
प्ले
read.
ऑन शफीक?
Yes, Safiq, read, beta.
मैम कौन सा?
ये ऊपर वाला.
ओके मैम। Can I read as well? Earth is not round like a ball, but it is like an orange. The Earth's poles center of the Earth is larger than the polar circle. Circle. We can know the volume and
Can know the name. We can know the.
we can know the
We can
volume.
know the volume
We can know the volume and width of the earth. In order to study about earth it
it is used
is used use a
as a
circular
circular
circular devices
device.
device im, uh, um,
A map of the world
a map of the world is drawn on it containing ocean and
continents કહેવાય શું કહેવાય? Continent.
continents continents important lands are drawn on it continent ocean and of the earth on the circle of earth you can show north pole and south pole with the help of globe. It can be
Had નહીં, said.
said that Earth is
Title નહીં, tilted.
tilted toward one side.
Very good. Very good. So, Earth is not round like a ball, but it is like an orange. Orange, everyone has seen orange. We eat orange, mango, apple, fruit. Everyone has seen or not? देखा है कि नहीं ऑरेंज किसी ने? Boys?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
मैंने कल
ma'am.
ही खाया.
So Earth is not round like a ball, but it is like an orange. What is like an? It is like an orange. Okay. The Earth's poles are slightly flat and is slightly inflated at the equator. The centers of the Earth is large than the polar circles. Okay. जैसे शफीक आपने खाया है ना ऑरेंज कल ही, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ऑरेंज ऊपर से क्यों हुआ है या नीचे से क्यों हुआ है, एकदम सेट स्ट्रेट હોય કે નહીં બેટા? હે બેટા? હોય કે નહીં બોયઝ?
Yes, ma'am.
હે ને થોડુંક થોડુંક સ્ટ્રેટ હોય ઉપરથી, રાઈટ? યસ ઓર નો?
Yes, ma'am.
Why no one is replying?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it is slightly फ्लैट फ्रॉम अप, तो अर्थ का भी शेप कुछ ऐसा ही है। कैसा है? कैसा है बॉयज? स्लाइटली फ्लैट फ्रॉम द टॉप एंड बॉटम एंड बाहर बीच में से जहां से हमारा इक्वेटर है वहां से कैसा है बेटा? वहां से कैसा है? સ્લાઇટલી બ્લર છે, મતલબ કે સ્લાઇટલી બહાર નીકળેલું છે, એટલે એટલે આપણા અર્થ નો શેપ કેવો છે? Like a spherical shape. Okay, we can know the volume and weight of the earth in order to study the about earth. It is used as a circular device. A map of the world is drawn on it. What is drawn on it, beta? क्या ड्रॉ किया जाता है? What is drawn on it, beta? The map of the our earth, okay, of the world is drawn on it, in which continents, oceans and important lines are drawn in it. Okay, and the globe is a small replica of the earth. Okay, what is the globe? A small replica of the earth. On the circle of the earth you can show north pole and south pole. With the help of the globe it can be said that the earth is tilted towards one side. So everyone understood today's points?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we'll revise it quickly. Who will like to revise it?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will like to read it?
Yes, ma'am. Hello. 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 Hello.
हाँ, बोलो बेटा।
Okay, ma'am. Location and shape of Earth. We see the sun and the moon shaking. How good it looks. Our Earth is also such a sphere only. It is spherical. It is a flat at both the poles. Some astronauts have gone up to the moon. They have taken Earth's photographs from here. From moon, Earth look like a giant sphere. We are living in a small village or city. The part of Earth which we are able to see is a very small part of Earth. Thus, it cannot be said by us that Earth is spherical. Have you ever seen broken Earth pot? If you take a small piece of it in your hand, you cannot imagine that it would have been round. Thus, looking at a small part of the earth does not tell us that the whole earth is spherical. Whole earth is spherical, but now with the help of photographs taken from moon and space, we can say that there is no doubt about the earth's shape.
यस, अर्थ शेप हम जो फोटोग्राफ देखते हैं उससे हमें कोई डाउट नहीं है कि द अर्थ शेप इज व्हाट टाइप? इट इज अ स्फेरिकल शेप, राइट? यस बेटा, कंटिन्यू।
Okay, ma'am. Uh, Pole star.
સમજાણું છે ને બધાને?
Anu.
Okay, yes, beta, continue.
Okay, ma'am. Pole star. There is a star in the sky which always appears in the same direction and at the round place. Then how to recognize the star?
नहीं, पोल स्टार, देखो पोल स्टार क्या है? देर इज अ स्टार इन द स्काई, ओके, वो वाला नहीं, ऊपर वाला देखो, द अर्थ इज नॉट राइट like a
Okay,
round
okay.
ball, okay, but how it is,
Earth,
it is like an orange. What it is like in beta? Orange
orange.
shape, है ना, which is slightly flat from the both the sides, इक्वेटर के ऊपर भी और नीचे भी। जैसे मैंने आपको अभी एक एग्जांपल दिया ऑरेंज के बारे में, ऑरेंज के बारे में समझ में आया
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? તો ઓરેન્જ કેવા શેપનું હોય? સ્લાઇટલી ઉપરથી ફ્લેટ અને નીચેથી પણ ફ્લેટ હોય, હે ને? અંડરસ્ટુડ?
Okay.
અંડરસ્ટુડ બેટા?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ઓકે, યસ. રિવાઇઝ ધીસ
Earth,
પેરેગ્રાફ.
okay, ma'am. Earth is not right like a ball, but it is like an
એકદમ
orange.
બોલ જેવું નથી હોતું અર્થ, અર્થ રાઉન્ડ છે પણ સ્પેરિકલ રાઉન્ડ છે, ઓકે? એક તો તમે તમારી પાસે બોલ હોય એ કેવો ગોળ જ હોય, એવું ગોળ નથી અર્થ, ઓકે?
Okay, ma'am. The Earth's poles are slightly flat and is slightly inflated at equator. The center of the Earth is larger than the polar circle. We can know the volume and weight of the Earth in order to study about Earth. It is used as a circular device. A map of the world is drawn on it. Continents, oceans, and important lines are drawn on it. The globe is a small
રેપ્લિકા.
replica of the Earth. On the circle of Earth, you can show North Pole and South Pole. With the help of globe, it can be said that Earth is tilted towards one side.
ટિલ્ટેડ, ટિલ્ટેડ એટલે શું ખબર છે કોઈને? સહેજ નમેલું, ઓકે, સહેજ નમેલું, ઓકે. સો it is used as circular device. હવે આપણે ગ્લોબ ની વાત કરીએ, ઓકે. what is a globe? Anyone knows what is a globe?
Ma'am, a model of the Earth.
Yes, a true model of the earth on which the world map is drawn. What is drawn, beta?
World map.
Yes, जिसमें क्या क्या दिखाया जाता है? Continents, oceans, and important lines are drawn in it. What is shown on that? Continents, oceans, and important lines. Understood? Understood, beta? You can
Yes,
say
ma'am.
that the globe is the small replica of the earth. એટલે આપણે જયારે ગ્લોબ ને જોઈએ ને તો આપણે એમ સમજમાં આવવું જોઈએ કે આપણું અર્થ આવું દેખાય છે. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The globe is a small replica of the earth. Okay. Is it clear? So on the
Yes,
surface
ma'am.
of the earth, you can show both the poles. Which are those poles? North Pole and the South Pole. Okay. And with the help of globe, it can be said that the earth is tilted. જો અહીંયા નીચેના ફિગરમાં દેખાય છે?
मैं आपकी आवाज धीरे स्लो
Can you
धीरे
see
पास
this?
धीरे पास ऐसे होती रहती है हाँ
है ना? The little tilted. Okay. Shall any doubt till here, anyone?
नो मैम
So everyone understood the shape of the earth. What is the shape of the earth?
यस
What is the shape of the earth? Answer my questions. Chalo fast.
स्फेरिकल